Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel German Lingo Hub. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of animals and exploring their names in German. Whether you are an animal lover or simply curious about the creatures that share our planet, this knowledge will be both fun and useful. I'll guide you through each animal's name, providing both English and German translations. Are you ready to embark on this wild journey? Let's begin. Das Tier, die Tiere. Noch einmal. Das Tier, die Tiere. Please notice that all the plural forms have the article die. Let's start with the loyal dog, which is Hund in German. Let's practice. Der Hund, die Hunde. Noch einmal. Der Hund, die Hunde. Moving on to the graceful cat, which is Katze in German. Let's practice. Die Katze, die Katzen. Noch einmal. Die Katze, die Katzen. Next we have the majestic elephant, which is Elephant in German. Let's practice. Der Elefant, die Elefanten. Noch einmal. Der Elefant, die Elefanten. Monkeys are playful and curious. In German, it's Affe. Let's practice. Der Affe, die Affen. Noch einmal. Der Affe, die Affen. Next we have donkey, which is Esel in German. Let's practice. Der Esel, die Esel. Noch einmal. Der Esel, die Esel. Lions are known as the king of the jungle. In German, it's Löwe. Let's practice. Der Löwe, die Löwen. Noch einmal. Der Löwe, die Löwen. Moving along to the fierce tiger, which is Tiger in German. Let's practice. Der Tiger, die Tiger. Noch einmal. Der Tiger, die Tiger. Let's talk about the giraffe, which is Giraffe in German. Let's practice. Die Giraffe, die Giraffen. Noch einmal. Die Giraffe, die Giraffen. Kangaroos are unique to Australia. In German, it's kangaroo. Let's practice. Das Känguru, die Kangaroos. Noch einmal. Das Känguru, die Kangaroos. Moving on to the gentle cow, which is Kuh in German. Let's practice. Die Kuh, die Kühe. Noch einmal. Die Kuh, die Kühe. Let's talk about the powerful bear, which is bear in German. Let's practice. Der Bär, die Bären. Noch einmal. Der Bär, Die Bären. Now let's brave the Arctic cold and meet the polar bear. In German, it's Eisbär. Let's practice. Der Eisbär, die Eisbären. Noch einmal. Der Eisbär, die Eisbären. Zebra stripes are distinct. In German, it's Zebra. Let's practice. Das Zebra, die Zebras. Noch einmal. Das Zebra, die Zebras. Next we have gorilla. In German, it's gorilla. The word gorilla is the same in both English and German. Let's practice. Der Gorilla, die Gorillas. Noch einmal. Der Gorilla, die Gorillas. Rabbits are known for their speed and agility. In German, it's Kaninchen. Let's practice. Das Kaninchen, die Kaninchen. Noch einmal. Das Kaninchen, die Kaninchen. Owls are known for their nocturnal behavior. In German, it's Eule. Let's practice. Die Eule, die Eulen. Noch einmal. Die Eule, die Eulen. Goats are known for their curious nature. In German, it's Ziege. Let's practice. Die Ziege, die Ziegen. Noch einmal. Die Ziege, die Ziegen. Well done, language learners. You have expanded your German vocabulary by learning animals' name. The animal kingdom is diverse and fascinating, and knowing their names in German adds a new layer of appreciation. Keep practicing these words to enhance your German language skills. And if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Until next time, stay awesome. Danke fürs Zuschauen. Thanks for watching.